Don't always say thank you, thank you, thank you in your conversations. It really looks boring. You can add variation to your vocabulary by using these alternatives of saying thank you. Number 1 is I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Number 2, I can't thank you enough. I can't thank you enough. Number 3, I owe you 1. I owe you 1. Number 4, I am forever in debt. I am forever in debt. Number 5 is I am grateful for your assistance. I am grateful for your assistance. Number 6, accept my endless gratitude. Accept my endless gratitude. Number 7, I appreciate your concern. I appreciate your concern. Number 8, that means a lot to me. That means a lot to me. Number 9, we are on the same page. We are on the same page. Number 10, how thoughtful of you. How thoughtful of you.
यहाँ पर आपको इस ई बुक में मिलेंगे 350 प्लस एडवांस्ड इंग्लिश स्ट्रक्चर्स। गाइज, अगर आप हमारी ई बुक की हेल्प से अपनी इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग स्किल्स को बेहतरीन बनाना चाहते हैं तो आप डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए इस ई बुक के लिंक पर क्लिक करके इसे परचेज कर सकते हैं।
So guys, these were some smart alternatives of saying thank you. I hope you would definitely use these alternatives in your conversations to sound like a native speaker. If you really find something new to learn in this video, please hit the like button, share this video, and yes, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get new language learning content. We will meet in the next video. Until keep watching, keep learning, and keep practicing. Bye bye.